putting together our kitting kit at last. I finally have everything together that I feel like we will need, and it is definitely making me take a trip down memory lane. It's very reminiscent to a home birth kit that you put together when you have a home birth. I did a 5-gallon bucket here, pink, because birth deserves to be represented in pink in my opinion. I've got my bucket boss. I'm about to fill it out with all these different goodies. So there's our gels for and all the different outcomes that could arise, different vitamins, cayenne pepper tincture for weak kids that have trouble standing, iodine, all kinds of good things, a thermometer because you need to take a temperature, and a portable scale. These things are just all kind of what ifs right here. Other half of the kitting kit: alcohol, gloves, lube in case you have to assist, and I really hope I don't have to, and a lantern. All of this I hope to get into the bucket.